Special greetings, my dear students. In last class, we seen a computer network. Okay, last class we seen computer network. So today we will see the advantages of computer network. But before going to the advantages, once again I am saying to you here, network means it is a link connection between computers. Okay, it is a connection between each other. When we are talking about the computer network, it is a connection between two or more computers. Okay, it is called a computer network. And the reason why we are using a computer network, first main reason is for to transmit a data. Sir, what is meant by transmit a data? Transmit a data means sharing a information. Not only information, we can able to share a hardware also. A computer network is defined as two or more computers connected together purpose of sharing hardware or software or sharing data resource. Okay, sharing a resource is called computer network. We are using computer only for that purpose. Okay, now advantages of computer network: efficient use of storage, efficient use of storage, preserving information, reduction in hardware, efficiency, redundancy, quickest document delivery. These are the six type we are going to see now. Okay, these are the six type of advantages today. Now we are going to see. In this first one, we can see with the example figure, efficient use of storage. My dear, here you can able to count how many computers are there. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six computers are having six CPU, correct? Now, efficient use of storage means here instead of six CPU, only one, this one main CPU we can keep, and we can able to work with the computer. Means six different monitors, means six different computers we can able to use one CPU. Not only this, whatever data six different computers we are storing, it will store in this CPU. Okay, or else, sir, here is a CPU. Okay, no problem. From here also you may work and it can store in a this one CPU. In this place, what is happening? Now we are using one CPU. Okay, one CPU in a one main CPU we are storing the all data here. Efficient use of storage. Okay, no need to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 CPUs. Okay, this is the efficient use of storage. Any system you may sit and you can store in where? This main CPU. This is called efficient use of storage. Next one, preserving information. Preserving means protecting a data. Example, you know the meaning of the backup. Backup means now you are typing something, anyone can able to come, anyone can able to delete your information what you typed, correct? You are typing now, if one person is coming from out of the area, or any your friend or any person is coming sitting, mistakenly they deleted. If they deleted, to take it back the data, we have to do regular backup. Okay, now here six computers are there. In six computers, when you're doing a backup, it is difficult for you. You have to go to this computer, you have to do backup, again you have to go this computer, you have to do backup again. Here means one by one you have to go, and one by one you have to do backup, correct? But if we are using only one place storing a data, in a one place we can able to do the backup. That is called preserving. It made us easier. Okay, from one network point. Here, instead of doing here, only one place. In a one computer sit, in a one place you do the backup over. This is called preserving information. Okay, are you means I hope you all got efficient use of storage, So from one place we are storing the data. Because of that, this much hardware we are storing, this much 6 CPUs storage place we are storing. Next, preserving information to protect the data, regular backup. If you are going here only 6 computer, okay. If in a network there can be a 50 computer also, 100 computer also. But regularly, if you are doing a regular backup or 50 or 60 computer, it is difficult. But if 50 computer having one storage point, it is easier because only one place we can able to do the backup. Okay. Reduction in hardware. What is mean by reduction? Reduction means reducing. Okay, reduction in means what? Reducing. In this place, what is mean by reducing in hardware? Example, see here. I told you already, 6 CPUs are there. 6 CPU is not necessary. Only from monitor you may work. Correct. So 6 computers, one place we are storing. So here 6 CPUs we are storing now. That means 6 CPUs we are not using. So we no need to buy. We are storing, means we are saving the money of the 6 CPU. Correct. Same way here. How many computer in a network, it doesn't matter. Okay, how many computers are in a network? Here only 4 computers are there, but it doesn't matter if it is 100 computer or if it is 1,000 computer, no problem. But with a network we can have only one printer. If you press Control P, if you give printout here from this computer, printout will go there. If you from here, if you press Control P, you will get printout here. If you press Control P, here you will get printout. Means any, if in a network any place you can be, and if you press Control P, you will get a printout. Okay, means for each computer you no need to keep a printout. Here is a one computer, here you no need to keep one printer. Here is a computer, here you no need to keep one printer. Here is a computer, means each computer you no need to keep any printer. Okay, for entire system you can keep a one printer in a network. Okay, now efficiency. What is in my efficiency? Efficiency means how, uh, means powerfully, fluently. Okay, it is working. Deletion, if it is a single point. Okay, now see here, if it is a single point, from here you may delete. Correct. No need to go to particular system, no need to delete here, no need to delete here. Correct. So that only deletion will be easier. If you want to modification also, it will be easier. Upgrade, you can able to upgrade. Or if you want to install any software from one place, you can able to install. Okay, this will be easier. And redundancy. Okay, redundancy means already I told, means redundancy means you may say it is a reduction. Okay, uh, see here, hard copy means the printout paper. So if you have any paper, that is called hard copy. If I want to send any document from uh, here to here, no need to take a printout, no need to give to him, just to transfer data from this computer to this computer. When we are transferring data from this computer to this computer, what is happening? We are saving the cost of paper. Correct. So that is called redundancy in hard copy. Hard copy means what? Paper. Okay, printout paper. So means we no need to take a printout. And another thing, manual work. Okay, manual work means now see here, here is a person. Okay, from here to here, one person have to come down. Here is a one data. Okay, and you are here, this place. If you want to take data from here, you no need to go there, no need to copy, no need to come back again. Okay, so means manual work is reducing. If it is in a network, just transmit the data, just transfer the data from one computer to another computer. At last, okay, quickest document delivery. You can sit at any building, this also building, this also building, this also building. If you are sitting here and here you want data or here you want data, no problem, in a second you can able to take a data. This is called quickest delivery. Okay. Okay, my dear students, today we seen just advantages of network. Okay, we can go slowly because we are having more time. Okay, we are having more time, and for your question answer everything today I will upload on our site. You may download it. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, be healthy. Okay, thank you.